Good morning, students. Today is Thursday the 20th, and your homework today is to read for 25 minutes. Your packet for vocab 3.4 is due tomorrow, so make sure that is getting done. You also have portfolio paragraph 15 due tomorrow. Today, you are going to be taking the Unit 3 the Unit 3 test. But if you don't finish it today, you should continue to study tonight so that you are prepared for tomorrow. So actually we can take out this because it's actually happening today, but you know it is also tomorrow. So if you have questions that you're not really sure about, I would say don't answer them today and make a note of that somewhere. Study tonight and then come back and answer those questions that were hard for you tomorrow after you've reviewed. And hopefully you will do better than you would have if you just finished in one day and submitted right away. And then remember, you can always take any vocab quizzes and improve those grades by filling out the retake form. So today you guys are going to be taking the unit test, which is on Otis. That is, again, something that you cannot redo and you cannot improve your grade upon. So you need to make sure you're doing that well. Once the unit test is done, you may move on to win time, and your options are to do the poem if you have not finished that, to do the performance task with me if you need to get some help with that, the vocab packet, which is due tomorrow, your portfolio paragraph, which is due tomorrow. If all of these things are done, you may have IR time, and finally you may be pulled for the speaking assessment by Mrs. Pomager if you have not completed that. So take your time right now to review your study guide for the unit test and have a great day.